Of course, here in Indy, we've been talking about it. We're expecting multiple rounds of winter weather this week. The timing not on a weekend this time. This is during the week. So tomorrow is a day of calm, right?
Yeah, for the most part. It will get a little windy throughout the day, but it's definitely going to be the calm before the storm that arrives late Monday. And as it said, it's going to be packed with a lot of moisture. Now, we're not expecting we're going to watch how that storm moves into our area, especially late Monday evening. But right now, it is pretty quiet downtown Indianapolis. It is 35 degrees, so above that freezing point. Wind chill 27 degrees. Winds out of the west-southwest about 10 miles per hour. So as we head throughout the rest of the evening, temperatures are going to drop down into those 20s overnight. So it's going to be a cold start to your Monday. We're going to hold on to that cloud cover, maybe a few breaks in the morning. Temperatures warming on up into those upper 30s, near 40 for highs. Cloud cover will continue to thicken, and also the wind will be increasing out of the southeast, gusting between 20 and 30 miles per hour, especially by tomorrow evening. So ahead of that storm, here's what you need to know and the specifics so far of this storm system. A snow wintry mix is likely going to be starting late Monday night. A quick burst of snow will be possible for Indianapolis and northward. Now, exactly where that rain and snow line falls will be determined on where that freezing line is, and it can definitely easily shift and have a big impact of whether you see snow or just rain. We are expecting impacts to Tuesday's morning commute, whether it's slushy roads, snow on the roads, or just heavy rain could still have some big impacts. Here's live Doppler 13 with all those winter weather alerts already being posted for states out to our west as this storm system continues to develop. As it moves to the east, it's going to pick up a lot of moisture out of the Gulf. Now Monday, quiet for the most part, winds increasing throughout the day. As we head into Monday evening after 5 o'clock, rain is going to start to move into our area. May take it a little bit to reach the ground as it moves into that drier air, but eventually rain switching over to snow as we head into the overnight hours into Tuesday. And I really want to pause future track 13 around 3 o'clock in the morning. If this freezing line is right along I-70, we could see snow for Indianapolis farther north, may possibly stretch into Franklin, but it's really going to determine if temperatures can get cold enough. Now, Bloomington farther south may see an all rain event, but we could pick up snow pretty quickly in a few hours where we see that switch over to snow. However, it's going to rapidly warm up and it's going to switch back to that rain on Tuesday morning. Dry slot arrives on Tuesday afternoon, so it decreases that coverage and intensity, but then on Wednesday, another round of snow as it switches back to that snow for Wednesday morning, potentially impacting that morning commute once again. And we're not done with that winter weather, possibly a late week system arriving.